How to migrate emails from one Gmail account to another. Manually migrating your emails from one Gmail account to another is quite difficult. That's why we are introducing Regain Gmail to Gmail Migration tool. This software offers multiple advanced features, such as, along with Gmail, supports migration from any other IMAP client or server, facilitates migration to Exchange Online and Exchange Server, facilitates backup in prominent file formats like PST, EML, MSG, MBOX, PDF, etc. You can easily download this software from our official website. Just go to Google and search for Regain Gmail to Gmail Migration tool. On Google search, open this website. This is our official website. From here you can buy our software or try out the free trial. To download the free trial of this software, simply click on the free download button. Once the software file is successfully downloaded, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. In the installation wizard, simply follow a few on-screen prompts, and the software will be successfully installed on your device. You can see it's so simple to install the software. Now let's run the software and see how to migrate one Gmail mailbox to another. This is the dashboard of this software. Here you can connect your Gmail or G Suite, Yahoo Mail, Yandex Mail, Rediff Mail, Zoho Mail, GoDaddy, Outlook or MSN or Hotmail, Hostinger Webmail, IMAP, or other accounts. According to our target, I am selecting the Gmail or G Suite option. In the email address field, enter your Gmail address. Then enter the correct password in the password field. In case you have turned on the two-step verification, you may need to use the app passwords instead of the main password. Now simply click on the login button. Once the login is successful, you can preview all the folders of your Gmail mailbox. Simply click on any folder and you will be able to preview all the emails of that folder at the top right panel. Click on any email and you can preview it at the bottom right panel. Now click on the Cloud Migration option. Here you can see you have multiple options: Gmail or G Suite, Yahoo Mail, Hotmail or MSN or Outlook.com, GoDaddy, Office 365 or Exchange Server. Because our target is Gmail to Gmail migration, I am selecting the Gmail or G Suite option. You can see this window is same as the first one, and here you can connect your other Gmail account or any other email accounts. As per our target, let's select the Gmail or G Suite option. Then enter your target Gmail address in which you want to migrate to. Enter the correct password. If two-step verification is turned on in your Google account, enter the app passwords, and then click on the Login button. In this window, verify that if your source Gmail account and target Gmail account is correct or not. If all things look good, click on the Import Now button. As a result, the migration process will be started, and according to your mailbox size, it may take some time to complete the migration. Once the migration is successful, you will notice this message: Gmail or IMAP account import process has been completed successfully. Now, to verify the migration, let's open Gmail. Here you can see all the folders have been successfully migrated, and all the emails of the folders have been perfectly migrated. This way you can perform Gmail to Gmail migration. Besides migration, this software allows you to export your Gmail mailbox into multiple formats. Simply click on the Export option. Here you can see you have the option to export your mailbox into multiple formats. Let's select the PST format. Click on the Browse button and select a destination where you want to save the output PST file and click OK. Finally, click on the Convert Now button. As a result, the conversion process will be started, and according to your mailbox size, it may take some time to finish the export. Once the export is finished, the PST file will be saved on your local device.